Making money on Printify involves selling custom designed products through a print-on-demand business model. Here's how to get started. Create a Printify account. Sign up on Printify.com to get started. It's free and easy to create an account. Choose a selling platform. Integrate Printify with an e-commerce platform like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, or Wix. These platforms allow you to sell products online. Set up your online store and link it to your Printify account. Select products to sell. Browse the product catalog on Printify, which includes a variety of customizable items like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. Choose products based on your target audience and niche. Create custom designs. Use Printify's mockup generator to upload your designs. Customize the products by adjusting design placements, colors, and other details. Set retail prices. Set the selling prices for your products. Printify charges a base price, and you can set a retail price that includes your profit margin. Aim for a reasonable margin. Promote your store. Use social media, paid ads, and SEO to promote your products and drive traffic to your online store. When a customer buys, Printify will handle production, packing, and shipping directly to them.